So here's 5 reasons why I why I ditched my Triumph Speed Twin for my new, all new, well, it's a 2022, came with 1,500 miles, but it's new to me, new to you. The Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. Number one reason, performance. Let me tell you something, this inline 4 is unbelievable. The sheer power that it makes and the power band is just awesome. I'm primarily in 3rd and 4th gear. I've had it about, let me see, almost 2 weeks now, and I haven't made it to 6th gear. I've done a little over 100. The style and design, listen, it's similar to the Speed Twin in that it's just, it's kind of, what they call the Speed Twin, a modern classic. And I think this kind of stays in the same kind of, area. I think the reason why I got the Cafe version is that front cowl, which I love. But underneath, I just tell people it's like a muscle car. And the sound is just, I don't know, I just love the style and the design of it. It's just a classic, looking bike, but certainly extremely modern. Third is the comfort and ergonomics. The riding position is great. The seat. I think what I like best about this bike and why, versus the Speed Twin is that just the sheer size of the bike is bigger. I have longer legs. I'm 5'11", 6 foot on a good day. And it just, going into turns, and I kind of ride on curvy roads and, backcountry roads. And so I'm doing a lot of twisty roads. And on the Speed Twin, I never felt like I could get my legs around the tank. I always felt like the Speed Twin was kind of like a watermelon. Fourth is the technology and the features. I don't know where to start. I mean, just the power for 111 horsepower motorcycle is just, so I look at that kind of technology, whatever kind of technology they have in the inline 4 versus, a twin, a parallel twin. I don't think there's much in terms of electrics, but the suspension is a huge difference. I mean, just the riding and the power is tremendous difference. I think 5 is just value for money, right? Kawasaki has been around, making these kind of bikes, forever. And I think like the value, something happens or whatever, easily replaceable. I think when I was looking at other bikes, I traded in my Speed Twin. So, I had a certain number that I wanted to pay outright, pay out of pocket. And the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe was on the lower end, but the performance was just, compared to all the other bikes that I tried, was right there, if not better. And I tried out like the Speed Triple and the Street Triple, and just, I don't know. The most impressive for the least amount of money and the styling that I like was the Z900 RS Cafe for sure.